Hey, my name is Madeline Sesser, and I'm going to be starting lab number 6 for microbiology. I have my Bunsen burner. I'm going to have my bacteria and my ethanol. I have 4 tabs to simulate antibiotics, my agar plate, tweezers, a cotton-tipped applicator, some gloves, and my marker. So to start off with, I have washed my hands, I have my lab coat on, my hair is pulled back. We're gonna put on the gloves. Right. And we're gonna mark 4 quadrants on our agar plate, and we're actually gonna mark it on the side that has the agar, because this can easily be lost or twisted, and then you don't know which antibiotic was where, and so forth. So we're gonna do 1 line down, 1 across, and almost like an X. So we have 4 sections, and normally you would put like the information that you need, the type of bacteria, the lab number, so on and so forth. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take our Bunsen burner, we're gonna turn it on. Hopefully this is low enough. All right, so we're gonna turn our Bunsen burner on. We're going to open, we're gonna open up our cotton swab. There it goes. Okay. And we're gonna get that out ready to go. I'm just gonna leave it in there right now so it can stay sterile. We're gonna take this off, flame it. Now we're gonna get our cotton swab. We're gonna dip it and get some of the bacteria. All right. Flame this again and close it. Okay, I'm gonna move my Bunsen burner to the side, and now I'm gonna take the lid off this. Normally you would do this at a 45-degree angle, so I'm just gonna hold it like that. And so, oh gosh, it's close. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and you're just gonna go in some smooth zigzag motions. Then you're actually gonna turn it 45 degrees. Smooth zigzag motions. You're just trying to get all the bacteria pretty even. Turn it one down, zigzag, then zigzag. Just make sure all the bacteria is where it needs to be. Okay, so now we're gonna close that up. Dispose of our swab. Okay, and so now that our bacteria is on here and set, the quadrants, we're actually gonna take these 4 tabs of the antibiotic, and you're gonna put a tab on each section. And the point of this experiment is to figure out which type of antibiotic gets rid of the bacteria, it doesn't kill it, but it gets rid of the bacteria. And like all of them could, but one's gonna do a little bit more, so you're actually gonna see circles around the tabs after it has incubated and set. So for this, we're gonna need our ethanol. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lid, put our ethanol down, remove the bacteria, and you're gonna need some tweezers and a Bunsen burner. And so what we're actually gonna do is, in between antibiotic tabs, you dip it in the ethanol, you flame it, the ethanol will ignite, and then you wait until the ethanol has burned off completely, and then you transfer a I'm gonna move this so maybe you can see what I'm doing. Transfer antibiotic tab to a quadrant. So, and this is the details that you would actually put on the back of like the type of antibiotic you're using. So we're gonna dip in ethanol, we're gonna flame, okay, Now I'm gonna pick up a tab. Oh gosh, these are hard to do in these gloves. All right, pick up a tab, and I'm gonna put it and push it a little bit, make sure it's good and stuck. All right, now I'm gonna dip again. Flame. Okay, let that burn out. Pick up another tab. Put it in there and stick. Okay. Dip. Flame. Flame. Get another one. Stick it. Dip. Flame. Wait for it to go out. And pick it up. Oh my God. Stick it. Okay. And then dip, flame, and sterilize it. And so now we have all of them on our bacteria culture. And what we would do is we would incubate it, we would let everything grow, we would let the antibiotic do its job. And some of them may have no ring, some may have a small ring, and some may have a very large area that the bacteria has not been able to grow, has died off. And the antibiotic with the largest ring is going to be the antibiotic that should be used when treating this type of bacterial infection. So thank you so much for joining me.